Hi friends, welcome to Draw and Learn. Today we're drawing something bright, bold, and super helpful, a school bus. It's so fun to draw a big yellow bus with its wheels, windows, and flashing lights. But did you know school buses are one of the safest ways to travel? Let's learn the rules that help keep every ride safe. And don't forget to subscribe so you can join all our future adventures. Now grab your crayons and let's get started. School buses are made to keep kids safe. They're painted bright yellow so everyone can see them. They have flashing red lights and even a stop sign that pops out when it's time to pick up or drop off students. Quick question, have you ever seen the stop sign on the side of a bus? What shape is it? Hint, it has 8 sides. That's right, it's an octagon. We're coloring the big yellow bus right now. It looks amazing. Let's imagine it's your first day of school. You're waiting at the bus stop with your backpack. What's the first safety rule? Stand back from the road at least 3 big steps. Always wait until the bus driver opens the door and says it's okay to hop on. And remember, no running or pushing when you get on. Let's pretend to wave at the driver. Good morning! If you always follow that rule, give this video a big thumbs up. Once you're on the bus, find your seat quickly and sit facing forward. Keep your backpack on your lap or under the seat. No standing and definitely no yelling. Loud noises can distract the driver. Hey, do you know what the driver sees in that big mirror above their head? Yep, all of you. We just finished coloring the windows, and they look so shiny. Want more fun stories and safety tips? Make sure to hit that subscribe button. One day, the bus driver didn't move. Everyone looked around, confused. Then she smiled and said, "We can't go until we're all sitting safely." Everyone quickly sat down and buckled up, if there were seatbelts. And just like that, vroom! The wheels rolled forward. That day, we all learned safety comes first, and we all have a part to play. Today we drew a school bus and learned the super important rules that help everyone stay safe. Whether you ride the bus every day or just wave to one, now you know how it all works. Thanks for drawing and learning with me. See you next time on Draw and Learn.